Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to get back the missing App Store application on iPhone. And this is quite simple, and I will show you exactly how to do this. First of all, I show you the proof that if I'm searching for the App Store, that it's not popping up. So what we need to do now is go to Settings, then scroll down to Screen Time, then click on Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then go to App Installations and Purchases. And then from here we go to App Store. And right now, if you can see, he don't allow our App Store. So what we need to do is click on Allow, fill in your passcode. And right now, if you go back, you see that it's still not here. There's a little bug in this system. So what we need to do is go back, click on App Installation and Purchases, App Store, and then click on it again. Fill in your passcode, and when you do this for the second time, you see that the App Store is back. So it's very strange, it's a bug I think, but this is exactly how you can get back missing App Store on iPhone. So hopefully I could help you out with this video. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.